So, ladies and gentlemen, we're coming live from Orlando, where people are competing in the Light Up competition. And let's see what the neighbors have to say about the houses, because there's some good ones around here, and I know which one caught my eyes. And it's on 10th Street. Yes?
Are we on?
Yes.
Put up on TV?
Yes.
First, I'd like to say hello to my folks in Jamaica, even though that's not why we're here. But all I have to say is that the lights, them are really pretty, and it just bring out the whole of the Christmas vibes. I just love the light them, I just love what the people them are doing with the neighborhood. Alright? This a work? Well, I kind of like the light them, and so, you know, people have their money, so they put up them lights and so, you know, Christmas time. Also, see me all in my green and my red to kind of match the Christmas theme. What do you mean you don't understand what I say? So, of course, me can't talk English. Yeah, I was just saying, I love the lights, and you know, people have their funds so they can put up whatever lights they want. It's Christmas, it's their favorite time of the year, and so people can do whatever they want. You know what I mean? The light them pretty, so me just kind of dress up every night. Back to English, the lights are beautiful, and so I get dressed up every night and I walk around my neighborhood and I just look at the lights. That's all I gotta say about that. Hello everybody, my name is Sister Clarice, and I just want to say this is way too much lights, and the people are lighting up the house, and they need to donate some of this money to the church, because the church could really use this money to do something good for the Lord. Jah Rastafari. Well, you want to say like Rasta not really business in everything else what the world are doing, you understand? And so I just try to mind my own business. So whether people put up light or they not put up no light, Rastafari, I don't care. You understand? As a matter of fact, the other day my neighbor put up a light and drop right off. And I man have to carry him go to hospital. So the people who put up the light need to be careful. You understand? But I listen last year. I'm out.
So GlamFam, there you have it. You've heard from the neighbors, and now we're going to take you around the neighborhood so you can get first-hand experience of what your neighbors are talking about.
ho! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Well, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Coming from Tamera and Xone studio. Isn't these houses beautiful? Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. And remember, coming from Orlando.